Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So today we are going to discuss about latest closed test pattern quizzes, as English knowledge is an important section in the employment related competitive exams in India. In particular, exams like IBPS, SPI, and other bank related employment exams have English language questions along with reasoning and quantitative aptitude. The English language section primarily has questions related to the paragraph reading, reading comprehension, closed test, antonyms, synonyms, grammar sentences, rearrangement, etc. Closed test questions are frequently asked in almost every bank exam. IBPS PO Prelims, SBI PO Prelims, IBPS Clerk Prelims and Mains, IBPS SO Prelims, SBI Clerk Prelims and Mains, IBPS RRB Office Assistant Prelims and Mains both, IBPS RRP Scale 1 Prelims and Mains, LIC AO RBI Assistant Prelims. I have just mentioned some of the exams. There are a lot of exams. Which exams contain English language's most weighted section? Closed test primarily test as closed test primarily meant to test a candidate knowledge of comprehension with regard to grammar, usage, and vocabulary. Closed test is a complex sentence complexion test. In the closed test, there will be a paragraph with a few blanks. Test takers are required to fill these blanks from the given alternatives. This test is complex as it evaluates candidate knowledge of vocabulary and the understanding of the passage. Here is a closed test quiz based on new pattern for you to practice. So let's once check the directions which I have provided to answer the following questions of closed test latest pattern questions. In the following passage, some of the words have been left out, each of which is indicated by a letter. Find the suitable word from the options given against each letter and fill up the blanks with appropriate words to make the paragraph meaningful. Four of the most popular forms, that is Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram of social media, blank A, blank, great damage upon young people's mental health. These four platforms have a negative effect because they can blank be blank children's and young people's body image worries and worse bullying, sleep problems, anxiety, depression, and loneliness. The findings follow growing blank, C blank, among politicians, health bodies, doctors, and parents about young people suffering harm as a result of cyberbullying and social media, blank, D blank, feelings of self loathing and leading them to commit suicide. However, the leader of the UK's psychiatrist said these findings were too simplistic and they blank E and again blank blamed social media for the complex reasons why the mental health of so many young people is suffering. So once clearly observe and once again read the below mentioned paragraph as per the directions which I have provided. You need to uh, fill the blanks with the suitable letters. So the first question is option A discrete, option B impious, option C inflict, option D perpetrating, option E none of these. For this question the answer is C inflict. Why? Option A discrete means treat a sacred place or thing with violent disrespect and can be ruled out as it makes the sentence incoherent, whereas option B impious means non-pious and can be eliminated as it is not related to the context of the passage, as there is no chance of option B will be the answer and it will does not fix in that particular bank. Option C inflict means cause something unpleasant or unfair or painful by someone or something and it aptly fits the context and makes the sentence a meaningful one. Option D perpetrating means to commit and though it seems to be in sync with the context its usage makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, rather perpetrate should be used. So out of these all options, option C will be aptly fits the context and makes the sentence a meaningful one. Second question's options are A. Mitigate, B. Exacerbate, option C. Alleviate, option D. Effectuate, option E. None of the above. So the answer is B. Exacerbate. Option A and option C, mitigate and alleviate, mean make something bad less severe and can be eliminated as they have positive connotation and contradict the sentence, whereas option D can be ruled out as effectuate means put into force or operation and is vague in the context of the sentence. When it comes to option B, exacerbate means make a problem, bad situation, or negative feeling worse and is apt as it fits in the blank perfectly. It rightly points at the fact that the social media platforms are worsening the mindset of young people. So, option B, exacerbate, is perfectly apt in the blank and it will the answer for the question. Third question options are option A, bridle, option B, concentrate, option C, poise, option D, concern, option E, none of the above. The answer will be option D, concern. Option A, bridle means show one's resentment or anger can be eliminated as its usage renders the sentence incoherent. Option B, consternate means to fill someone's with anxiety and can be eliminated as it makes the sentence grammatically incorrect. Rather, concentration should be used. Coming to option C, poise means graceful and elegant bearing in a person and can be eliminated as it does not lend any meaning to the sentence and is contextual misfit. Finally, coming to option D, concern means make someone's anxious or worried, and here it is aptly shows that politicians, doctors, parents were anxious about the well-being of young people. So, out of all these four options, option D will perfectly fit into the sentence, and hence it is grammatically correct too. The fourth question options are A, reinforcing, B, ebbing, C, augment, D, accentuate, E, none of the above, and the answer is option A, reinforcing. The sentence as a whole talks about propagating negative thoughts among youngsters. Thus, the word to be used in the blank should indicate strengthening these thoughts among youngsters. Option A, reinforcing means to strengthen and support and conform itself to the explanation above. Option B, ebbing means gradually decrease in terms of an emotion or quality and can be eliminated as it is contradictory to the meaning expressed in the passage. Finally, coming to option C and option D, augment and accentuate mean making something greater by adding to it or noticeable and are not only used with feelings. So, and the answer is option A, reinforcing will perfectly fit. Fifth question options A, legitimately, B, outlandish, C, unfairly, D, impartially, E, none of the above. And the answer is option C, unfairly. The sentence hints at various complex reasons for which the social media cannot be held responsible for governing the mental well-being of young people. Option C, unfairly, means in a manner that is not in accordance with the principles of equality and justice and aptly fits the context and makes the sentence a meaningful one. Comes to option A and D, legitimately and impartially mean justly and can be ruled out as make the sentence logically incorrect as they have positive connotation. Option B, outlandish, means looking or sounding bizarre or unfamiliar and can be eliminated as it is nowhere related to the context of the passage. There are too many rules which need to be kept in mind while speaking or while answering these type of closed test questions, as it is as much as important you need to compulsory get an idea of perfect vocabulary, and sometimes there is a chance of misleading the same pronunciation words like then, than, effect. So you need to first know the meanings of the words which are absolutely aptly fit for the blanks. And you can follow us on Facebook too. That is https://www.facebook.com splesson. We will post all type of questions there, all type of information there. You can follow us on there, and you can send a message if you have any queries regarding our views and regarding our content. Also, you can make mailers careers at the rate of itoolsinfo.com, and you can follow us on Twitter too with the name of SP Lessons, and you can follow us on Telegram channel too. We will posting a lot of content related questions and JE mains, JE exams, and lot of competitive exam related stuffs in the form of ebooks, PDFs, and materials, and some type of informative information, model papers, previous papers. So you can collect all of our data there, and you can follow us on SP Lessons, our main website, with lot of current affair quiz, lot of multiple choice questions, physics, chemistry videos, NCRT book solutions, different type of best books for all type of competitive exam. Hope you all are getting a basic idea how all you all are enjoying our videos. Thank you.